Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest update of Bittorrent token. What surprise changes occur in a BTT. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. Now the right now price of Bittorrent token, you can see here 0.003272 USD dollar. That is right now price. Furthermore, if you study the changes a bit of Bittorrent token, so now last 1 hour update is only positive, except of last 1 hour the previous changes of Bittorrent token are completely going in the lows, guys. Now you can see here, oh my god, in the last time you can see your BTT price very highly pump and very fastly increase, guys. Positive 4.47% positive changes occur in the Bittorrent token. The highest price is about 0.003436 USD dollar. That is the highest price of Bittorrent token, guys. And furthermore, if you study the right now price of Bittorrent token, so 0.003412 USD dollar, that is a right now price, guys. Now Bittorrent token are now just in last 1 hour, as I show you, last 1 hour update is positive. So now from right now situation, they start pumping, and I hope, guys, that for a long time Bittorrent token will continue this pump, guys. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.